In the hush before the brush meets canvas, there is a breath, a tremble of thought, a ritual of descent. This is not just paint, it is memory, myth, and the echo of something breaking beautifully. Watch the figure fall, not in fear, but in surrender. Each stroke is a spell, each smear a secret. We are not building perfection here, we are unearthing it. From the cracks, from the chaos, from the too wide smiles of dreams undone. This is the process. This is the beginning. Welcome to the ritual.